Friends, good evening to everyone. Welcome to the Sports Airgun Lovers India. I am Ravi. I am doing a small video of p.c.p dry pack hand pump video. I have brought this hand pump near my arms sports shop. Let's see. My p.c.p dry pack hand pump. This is user manual. This is my dry pack p.c.p hand pump. This is grippy handle and these are free accessories. The 50 centimeter pump filling cable and the moisture filter. This is silicone oil and extra O-rings and filters. This is a spanner and inflate tape, thread tape, and manometer, no silicone oil, original manometer, pure manometer. I will show you how to fix the hand pump. First, fix the moisture filter. And manometer. Fix it. The inlet moisture filter and the outlet moisture filter. Tight it. Spanner. I will show you the inside of moisture filter. The moisture filter inside is using. And next, fixing the grip handle. First, straight the release one. I will check you. It's working or not working. I will tell you. Stop in the first fix. Let's see checking. Slowly push. not tighted. Starting the air. Let's see, 30 bar is air. Next, release the air. Next video I will show you PX100 how to the hand pump to filling. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel video. Please subscribe and follow my YouTube channel.